To thicken sauce with flour, first mix 2 tablespoons, 16 grams, of all-purpose flour with a 1/4 cup, 60 milliliters of cold water to make a paste. Stir the paste into your sauce over medium heat until the sauce thickens up. Use cornstarch instead of flour for a gluten-free option. To make a thickening roux, first heat 2 tablespoons, 14 grams of butter in a saucepan over medium heat. Then, whisk 3½ tablespoons, 28 grams, of all-purpose flour into the butter until it forms a thick paste. Cook the roux for 5 to 20 minutes. The longer you cook it, the less it will thicken the sauce and the darker it will be. Let the roux cool to room temperature, then pour it into your sauce. Heat the sauce and roux over medium heat while mixing them together slowly for 5 minutes.